Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. I've gotten a lot of requests by my viewers to see my Homelab, so I decided now is the time. I just got my Homelab installed in my new house, and I can't wait to show you all what I have running. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to get alerted whenever I post a video. If you aren't already subscribed, may as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have some new harvester videos coming out in the near future, and I know you don't want to miss those. Anyway, let's get started. So starting out, I would like to preface this by saying I really don't have a super expensive or super fancy Homelab. Most of the YouTubers I follow, like Techno Tim and Craft Computing, have super fancy firewalls, servers, and NASs. I'm working on building up my Homelab, and what I have now gets the job done for what I do. First up, we have my TrendNet 24-port blank Keystone 1U patch panel. I snagged this off Amazon for around $17. Although this does not come with the Keystone jacks, I was able to pick up a 10-pack of Cat 6 jacks for around $11. I also decided to pick up some patch cables, which were a little pricey but still worth it. Patch panels are somewhat boring, but one thing I would say, make sure you don't get a punch-down patch panel. They're a pain to work with. Next up, we have my Unify Dream Machine Pro. I was able to snag this during a rare stock drop by Unify. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, but they were always sold out. So I finally decided I would join a Discord community which sends out notifications whenever the UDM Pro comes back in stock. I really like my UDM Pro. I don't have much connected to it. I have two uplinks for my server and an uplink to my old Netgear Wi-Fi 6 router, which I'm using as my wireless access point. I've had zero problems with this guy, and I'm really looking forward to buying more Unify products in the future. Finally, we have my Hive Zeus 1U server. I got this off eBay for around $165, and I've been slowly upgrading it ever since. Currently, I'm rocking two Xeon 8-core E5-2650V2 CPUs and 64 gigs of RAM. I have the Samsung Evo SSD for data and a smaller boot SSD. I alternate between Harvester and Proxmox. Whenever a new Harvester build comes out, I test it for a bit, then eventually I'll switch back to Proxmox. And that cycle will probably continue until I snag another server for testing. I cannot recommend this little guy enough. It's very cheap to run, has a very small form factor, and is very powerful for the price. One critique I have is that the fans have a distinct whine, which you can hear right now. But it's not that bad since I have my Homelab in a closet under my stairs. I'll be making another video about the services I'm running on it at a later time, so make sure to come back for that. I guess I should also talk about the server rack. It's a 6U wall-mounted rack. I have it sitting on an IKEA lack table since I can't really mount it at the moment. I was able to pick the rack up for about $50 on eBay. I also have a standard mouse and keyboard in case I need to do troubleshooting on my server. I will have the links for all my stuff in the description below. I don't have affiliate links, so there's no reason for you not to click on them. I won't be making money off of it. But if you would like to support my channel, I have a link to my PayPal, and that should be it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.